Terzeya, Anachimil Christabel. I'm in Red Bad West at St. Stephens Junior School, Kondandila. This is your best program, Million Times, brought to you by the school media. Media that matters. And today, we are taking you to Red Bad West. We are bringing you your favorite subject discussion. Please enjoy. They like to play. Up they go. I like this says Peter. It is fun, but the dog wants to play. There are Peter likes to play. Here they are at play. I go up, says Jane. I go down, says Peter. Up and down, up and down, go. Jane is in the water and Peter is in the boat. They want to fish. Peter can see a fish in the water. The fish can see you in the water. Get in the boat, Jane.
Bringing you your favorite subject discussion.
Look at me, Jane. Look at me in the boat. Come on, say. Come and play on the boat, Jane. Come on, Pat. I want a cake, please, says Peter. A cake for me, please, he says. Here you are, says Jane. Here are some cakes. A cake for you and a cake for me. I like cakes and you like cakes. Here is the station. We are at the station. This is Revision Times. We are students. One revision at a time.
Bringing you your favorite subject discussion.
This is brought to you by the school media.
Media that matters.
Remember to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow our account on TikTok. We love you.